Bonjour tout le monde, bienvenue. Today we are going to do the chapter 2, that is Voici Paul. Lesson the Voici Paul, chapter 2. Here is Paul. Okay, in this chapter we will learn how to describe someone with the help of adjectives, nationality, and the body parts description. Like how someone is having his hair, someone is having long hair, short hair, small eyes, big eyes, black color eyes. Okay, like this. Someone is tall, small, short, like this. Okay, so we will be describing someone. This will help. This chapter will help you in describing someone, like your friend, your family member, some personality, a cartoon character, anything like anybody like this. So you can describe anybody. Okay, décrivez quelqu'un, to describe someone. Okay, quelqu'un, someone. Now let's see the text. Before that, we have done the body parts in the previous class, which is after in your book. After this text, you have the body parts. Okay, so we have already done those body parts thing. Now we will see the text. Over here you can see two pictures are there. We will be describing each of the person in the picture. Now here it is. C'est Rohit, il est indien. This is Rohit, he is Indian. Il est grand, he is fat. Il porte un cartable sur le dos. Basically porte means wear. Okay, so he is carrying a bag on his back. Dos is back and cartable is bag. Il porte une casquette jaune. He wears a cap. Over here you can see yellow cap. Yellow cap. Il y a un livre dans sa main. Main is hand. There is a book. Over here you can see book in his hand. Okay. Il est souriant. He is smiling. You can see he is smiling. So all these, the red thing, red, in the red you can see, and then nationality, adjective, grand, fat, adjective, jaune, color, adjective, souriant, again adjective. So nationality, colors and adjectives always are written after a noun. Okay, so over here you can see noun is there and so is the color. I hope it's clear. This is the way you can describe your friend, siblings, anybody. Okay, now next, c'est Victoria. This is Victoria. Elle est anglaise. She is English or British, you can say. Okay, elle est jeune. She is young. Elle a les cheveux bruns. Cheveux we have already done. It means here she has brown hair. Okay, then elle porte de grandes lunettes. She wears big spectacles or specs. You can see in the picture specs are there, so we can say she wears, porte means wear, big spectacles or specs. Elle est heureuse. She is happy. So again you can see this is nationality. So whenever you are describing someone, you will tell the nationality. Over here it is il, so it is in the masculine form, indien. Over here elle is there, so the anglais is in the feminine form. If a boy was there, it will be anglais. Then this is the adjective. Here color, you have to specify the color or the length of the hair. Grand for the adjective for the specs. Then heureuse is an adjective. Okay, it's in a feminine form because L. That is why EUSE. I have already sent you the list of adjectives, so you can see how we have used it. Over here, lunette is in the feminine plural form, so grande is in the feminine plural form. Shower plural form masculine, so brune is in the masculine plural form. Okay, remember always. Now, in the third picture, say Maria, elle est Italian. This is Maria, she is Italian. Now, Italian and Indian are done same way. If a boy was there, we would be written Italian, okay, just till N. Since it's a girl, we have written Italian, double N-E, okay. Same way in the Indian. Boy, Indian, and India, and girl, Indian. Like this, double N-E will be there. Then, elle porte un joli collant. Okay, so now you are clear about it. She wears a pretty collant is tights or legging, you can say. Okay, elle est petite. Elle, she is small. You over here E is written. Why? Because L is there. She is small, so we have to make the adjective feminine. Okay. Elle a les cheveux frisés. Frisé means curly. You can see over the picture, curly ears are there. So she has curly hair. Since it's in the plural form, so it is also in the plural form. Elle a le visage rond. Visage means face. So rond is in round face. So this is masculine. So we have written rond is also in the masculine form. Elle a le visage rond. Elle est belle. She is beautiful. Now you can see over here and over here we have used être verb, est, and over here in both a. She has, he has, like this. Okay. Don't write elle est un visage. She is a face name. Elle a le visage or elle a un visage. Okay. Now the next one. Say André, il est français. This is André. He is French. Il a un petit nez. He has a small nose. Nez, nose. And petit is placed before nez. So, small nose. Il a de petits yeux. He has small eyes. Okay? Eyes. This is in the plural form, so petit is in the S. We have put an S, plural form, masculine plural form. This is masculine singular noun, so that is masculine singular. Masculine plural, so masculine plural. Il a les cheveux bruns. He has brown hair. So this is in the masculine plural form, so brun we have written in the masculine plural. Il a une raquette. He has a racket. It's in feminine singular, so we have written the article une. So remember the articles also. Here it is one, so we have written over here les, and over here une because it is in the feminine singular form. Okay, I hope it's clear how we describe someone. We have used adjectives. When we are just using adjective, we are using être verb. Elle est petit, elle est grand, elle est belle, elle est beau, il est beau, okay, il est souriant, like this. And when we have to tell about the body parts, then we use a verb. Il a, elle a. Okay, okay. For the visage, for nez, over here you can see for the nez, ear, nez, for the visage, for the cheveux, okay, like this. So use a verb with the body part if you are describing he or she has. Okay. Now let's do the question answers based on this text. Répondez aux questions suivantes. Reply the following questions. These are MCQ questions. Okay. In French, generally it is written cocher la bonne réponse, cross the right answer. So we will be generally doing the like this. We're making the cross. André a livre, book, a ballon, a ball, a cartable, bag, une raquette, a racket. So André is having a racket. Over here it is written. So we will make a cross over here. Les cheveux de Victoria sont. The hair of the Victoria are frisé, curly, blonde, brown, long, court, small. So in the Victoria description it is written elle a les cheveux bruns. So we will cross the brun. Rohit est grand souriant, fat smiling, petit souriant, small smiling, français, French, Italian. So this both the adjectives are in the Rohit description. So we'll make a crossover here. Maria is petit Indian, small Indian, laid ugly, petit Italian, small Italian, gros Italian, fat Italian. So what is the answer? Petit Italien. So this will be done. Now, dites la nationality. All the 4 descriptions have nationalities. So we will write the nationality of Maria. Elle est italienne. Okay. André, il est français. For Rohit, il est indien. The Victoria, elle est anglaise. If it's visible, fine. Otherwise, you can from the text in the first line it is written or everybody's nationality. So just write the statement as it is from the text. Okay. So now the text and the question answers are finished. Of the text, these questions are all based on the text. Okay, we have finished with this. Now over here you can see it is written décrivez votre camarade. Camarade means describe your friend, classmate. Okay. Now you can describe your classmate or a friend. So you have seen the descriptions. From the text you can pick out the sentences and just modify according to your friend. Okay, and just describe your friend. In the first line write its name, then the nationality, then you can even write the age also. You know how we write age. Il a 12 ans. Okay. Then you can write the physical features like elle est belle, elle est sympathique, elle est souriante, elle est beau, elle est belle. Okay. Then elle est souriante, sympathique, gentille. Like this you can use. Then the physical features, visage, ear, nez. You can write all the descriptions. You can see from the text and write about your friend. Okay. Just do it in the book itself. Do this question in the book if you have in your book itself. If you are not having the book, do it in a rough copy. Okay. That's all for today. Merci. Bonne journée.